In government contracting, there are many pitfalls that we can avoid that can hinder our success. And one of those pitfalls are inadequate proposal preparation. There are so many times I've seen proposals that are poorly written, lack detail, do not address the scope, and just overall is just poorly written and results in disqualification. So how can we avoid that? We can avoid that by knowing who our customer is. It's important to know who your government customer is because there are plenty of agencies out there and all of them buy your products and services differently. So the more you know about what that customer wants and how they are buying your products or services, the better you can address that in your proposal when you respond to the solicitation. Also, do a competitive analysis. We want to know who else is interested in this same opportunity as you. So that way you can know who is the previous contract holder, what other contractors are interested in going after that same proposal, so you can find ways to leverage your business over your competition. And really, again, understand how you can meet the needs of the customer. You also want to go through a process which we call a go or no-go process, which qualifies the opportunity so you can understand what your win probability is. There are a lot of opportunities out there that look like they can be the perfect opportunity for you until you actually take the time to qualify it and really see what your actual win probability for that particular opportunity is. Time is money, and we don't want to waste our time or our resources on an opportunity that we really don't have a high probability of winning. And then also, you really want to understand what the scope, the qualifications are, and how to respond properly to that solicitation. Each solicitation will tell you exactly what they're looking for. And so you want to make sure that you thoroughly read through that solicitation and address all of the customer's needs and what they're asking for. As simple as that sounds, there are plenty of times where I've seen that part overlooked. So we want to make sure that we are knowing who our customer is, doing our competitive analysis, doing a go or no go so we can understand our win probability of that solicitation, and also thoroughly reading through the solicitation and the opportunity so you can understand how to properly respond to it. So you don't fall into the common pitfall of having inadequate proposal preparation.